Building a connection with someone and making them subconsciously interested in you involves a combination of genuine qualities, effective communication, and understanding human psychology. While it's essential to remember that you cannot manipulate someone's feelings, you can certainly enhance your own attractiveness. Here are some key points to consider. 1. Confidence is key. Confidence is irresistibly attractive. Hold your head high, maintain eye contact, and speak with conviction. When you believe in yourself, others are more likely to believe in you too. 2. Authenticity and self-improvement. Approximate 150 words. Be genuine and true to yourself. People are drawn to authenticity. Focus on self-improvement, both physically and mentally, not just to impress others but to enhance your overall well-being. 3. Positive attitude. Maintain a positive outlook on life. Positivity is contagious, and people naturally gravitate towards those who radiate optimism. Smile often and find joy in the little things. 4. Active listening. Listen more than you speak. Show genuine interest in what the other person has to say. This creates a sense of connection and makes the person feel valued. 5. Subtle flirting. Master the art of subtle flirting. Playful teasing, light touches, and maintaining good body language can create a sense of intimacy without being overtly forward. 6. Mystery and intrigue. Don't reveal everything about yourself right away. Maintain an air of mystery to keep the other person intrigued. This encourages them to invest time in getting to know you. 7. Kindness and empathy. Show kindness and empathy towards others. Being compassionate not only makes you more likable but also creates a positive impression on the person you're trying to attract. 8. Build emotional connection. Share personal stories and experiences. Building an emotional connection creates a bond that goes beyond surface-level attraction. Be open about your feelings and encourage them to do the same. 9. Sense of humor. A good sense of humor can be a powerful tool. Laughter creates a positive association, and people are drawn to those who can make them smile. 10. Respect boundaries. Respect the other person's boundaries. Creating a comfortable space allows the relationship to develop naturally without feeling forced. Conclusion. Remember, the goal is not to manipulate someone's emotions but to be the best version of yourself. Authenticity, positivity, and genuine interest in others go a long way in making someone subconsciously interested in you. Focus on building a connection based on mutual respect and shared experiences.